Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to breed villagers in Minecraft. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is to find two villagers. You can find them of course in any village, but in my case I just created you an example. Next to that, make sure that you place 3 beds near each other. The colors of the beds don't matter, so choose whatever colors you like. Now note that in order to breed the villagers, you will need to have at least 12 carrots or 12 potatoes or 3 pieces of bread for each in your inventory. In my case I've got 24 carrots, which means 12 for each. Now what I'm gonna do is to drop one set of carrots and wait for one villager to pick them up, and then I'm gonna drop the second set and hopefully the other villager will pick them up as well. Now all you have to do is to back up, leave them some space and let them knock themselves out. As you can see, hearts are appearing and this is gonna take some few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds I can say, and what's gonna appear after that is a baby villager. And here it is. Now note that this can be applied for other types of villagers as well. So that's it, that's how to breed villagers in Minecraft. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.